big week ahead for Apple. We've got the MacBook Neo dropping in less than 48 hours. Make sure that you subscribe so you can see one of the earliest consumer hands-on reviews and impressions. But before all that, if you're new to the channel, welcome to You Like This Now. I'm Pogo. I'd like to introduce you to my stuff, specifically the newest item in my collection. You would think that would be the Apple Studio display, but no, I've already done a video of that. Go and check it out. It's the 30-inch Apple Cinema display to my right just here. I remember when I was new to Mac, this was the creme de la creme of displays. It was completely out of my price budget. But I found one sitting on eBay for £166. I had to grab it. I'm gonna be doing another video on the trials I faced getting this antique of a monitor to work with my current setup. Make sure you check that out as well. Why don't we take a little closer look at this thing? So here it is in all its glory, the 30-inch Apple Cinema display. Compare and contrast to my most recent 27-inch Apple Studio display. There's nothing shabby about this 30-inch cinema display as well. The colors are still brilliant. I picked it up without a single dead pixel to be seen. The only problem that the seller indicated was that the hinge on the stand is a little bit weak. So if I try and tilt it upwards so you can see that it moves, it doesn't stay there. No big problem for me at all. I happened to find on eBay a replacement stand, including the screws, for just £11. I couldn't believe it. So what we're gonna do today is fit this new replacement stand onto my old and aging 30-inch cinema display hinge. Now, if you go to the back, I don't know if you can quite see this against my wall. You see how the bolts are out of alignment here? That's what's preventing the tilt adjust feature of the monitor. So you can see when I pull it back like that, it doesn't stay in position. Unlike if we skip to my 20-inch cinema display, so here's the little mini version, its little brother. This is completely adjustable and it stays put when you adjust it, okay? So that's what we're trying to achieve from the 30-inch. So we're gonna get that started now. We are rolling. We are rocking, and we are rolling. Amazingly, this key that I used to fix my secret lab chair together fits the bolts perfectly. So I'm gonna just go ahead, unscrew the old ones. Might take me a minute because I've got to do a half turn each time. Oh, what has happened to my DJI? SD card full. Oh, fucking great. Okay, I'm just moving my grip because I imagine this may just fall off the hinge once I've pulled this bolt out. Let's see. Okay, second bolt is out. There we go. It's freed. Just pull the wires through here. Okay, and we'll pop this to one side. But it's also worth pointing out that the feet were kind of worn, given it was second hand. If we compare the underside of the stand to the new one, okay, you can see those rubber feet are missing entirely. So we'll just put that away and we'll look to getting this fixed. All right, so we're gonna have to do the same thing. Thread everything through the cable management hole. There we go. Be better if I can see what I'm doing. So let's tilt this around. Look at that, before I even put the screws in, it seems to hold a little bit better. I like that. But those bolts are important because there is some play here and it will just come out again. It's righty-tighty. Okay, we've got some progress here. We're in, we've done it. So there we go. One finger adjustment. Doesn't fall back down like the other one did. How cool is that? We're actually done. And here he stands, fixed and proud, chin to the sky like his Wacom and Apple brethren. One small issue, I do still need to buy an adapter that'll make it work with my current setup, as DVI is way out of date and it's not supported on anything that I own. But we'll save that for another video. Thanks for checking this out, hope it was helpful.